This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Hapdang gajingtmu ke sarkar jalaban care sainar lani fencing haki benta ki badan hakapot ke jala Meghalaya bat Bangladesh khnang bante lakam ya ke jingwan rung kerthap ki nong Bangladeshi syakani ke jala lala ban sngorthu ba yamanta kani ka kam kelas dang ban ya chakman bat yakani la pentep daw OP upadhyay Inspector General ke BSF Meghalaya Frontier Haba pentep yakani syakilat pathai kubor hakan no aphai sngi jonga arphau tarip julliu arja arpusan u OP upadhyay ulaong bah East Khas Hills District las dang ya ke jingkiar sainar haki benta ke Nanjuri Naya Bazar Lingkhat bat tuka kat bah West Jante Hills pat haki benta ke Rongtila bat kumju ru East Jante Hills haki benta ke Harai bat Hungaria Nalor kata ula ongru bola kmilenti ban la ban pendep no yakani ke jingkiar sainar haki ni ki benta haki lai lani sau bnai ban wan
We are very much sincere about the early erection of the border fencing, and some positive are expected. Like the Honorable CM of Meghalaya, he's keenly and very actively monitoring the progress, and so with the Ministry of Home Affairs and our leadership, be it at Calcutta and in Delhi, they are actively monitoring the progress of the fencing. In certain cases, the fencing is going on, and we are able to remove some impediments which are there. But we are hopeful that the stretches which are without fencing very soon will be getting some positive result, and we will be able to erect the fencing with a faster pace. In certain patches, we have fencing going on, but in certain patches, fencing is not moving forward because of certain impediments, and we are hopeful that we will be able to remove these impediments as soon as possible. And we are getting the full support of the state of the Meghalaya.
How many patches, sir?
Right now, I do not have the data with me, but roughly the fencing, the area which is not fenced is from the Muktapur to the Jalia Khola area, which is a priority area, and we are trying to start it as soon as possible. Like the fencing is going on in the area of the Nanjuri, the Naya Bazar area, Tuka area, then Linkhat area, then Rongtila area, and in certain patches of the Muktapur also. And the fencing is also going on in Harai, Hungaria area. So it's moving with the satisfactory pace. Where the fencing is going on, I think this will be completed in next 3 to 4 months. But the area which is unfenced, so a lot of process are involved, like tendering process and making of the estimates and putting the machinery in place. So I believe some hitches are there. In some patches the local population is not forthcoming to have an early erection of the fencing. So we are hopeful that I have also, in this regard, I have appealed to the border population to cooperate. I have also met with the respective state officials. They are also looking into this important aspect. And everybody is on the same platform, and everybody is trying to remove all the impediments which can have a block over the fencing. But I am hopeful that with the patronage of the Honorable CM of Meghalaya, we will be able to remove these impediments and will be able to erect the fencing in the complete Meghalaya border. I think it is around 59 kilometers of the border, roughly. Around 59 kilometers the border is unfenced.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ai khan diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing ma lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam don ka sharp plus f menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya